Okay guys, so naman signing in YouTube. Today's January 12, 13, don't know, so 2012. So as promised, I will teach you a tutorial about ABIP room cracker. So the title of my tutorial is Coders Inc. Room Cracker by IP Uno Mas style here. Okay, and let's start. First, you must have a program. I have already opened a Supra here. I'm choosing Luzon 4 here, and I've already opened the program. So you must put in particular ID in here, particular password in here, then click in connect. As you can see, log in, and I'm choosing Luzon 4 rooms and clicking join rooms here. Okay, B6 WRJT, and you must click in enter. And as you can see, it enters the room. There's goes a usernames list. Now load proxies. Okay, let's load some proxies. One HTTP proxies. There it goes. And let's load some password. 122B password. Here goes some password list. And I'm just choosing one password one. So, and if you want to crack many names, not only one room, just click on rooms here, room panel, and you will go to here. This one will open a pop-up and room list panel, and you want to go to example Luzon 3 to make it a 2 rooms crack, and just select. Okay, Luzon 3, select here, and just again join rooms. As you can see, I'm already in Luzon 4. Then WN 53 LDCL, just click on enter, and there it goes, another room. If you want to go to others room, and as you can see, I already left room Luzon 4. And if you want to crack the names here, if you want to go to another room, Metro Manila Barcada 8, select this one. Okay, and join rooms 303 BYA WH 63, and enter. And there it goes. I have 73 names already. So just click and rotate with proxy. The crack I display sound when it's cracked here. It will play. These 3 ones I must have checked. If you want to log good proxies, you may log this too. Okay. I will click this one, but I will not click this. So just click and start. If you want to see crack names here and you want to save it in file, connect, disconnect, join room, leave room. Okay, go to main and just start cracking. And as you can see, it's working. As you can see, it's working. The proxy is working, the server is working, and as you can see, the name is moving, and you can see in here password, valid password. The password I choose is password 1. And status finish. Okay, if you want to add some password 1 2 3 4 5 6 simple, just click in OK and click in start again, and it will crack again, and simultaneously it gets a right password in this room. Some room users to use this password 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will go in here and crack names, and you may save it. Okay, and that's it. This tutorial. If you want to add in another password here, just click on the plus sign here, and then I love you. Okay, I love 143, and click on OK, and it will be cracked, and that's it. And you just have to click and start again, and it will crack. So this is Unuma signing out in YouTube, and bye guys, and I do hope you do like my tutorial. Please subscribe.